Hello and welcome to our new lesson. In this lesson we're going to learn, how do we ask in, how long have you, in the perfect tense. We use, how long have you, to ask in the present perfect and in the present perfect continuous. When to use how long. How long is used to ask questions about amounts or periods of time, like days, months, years, weeks. How long can also be used to ask about the measured length of something. Note: how long is used to ask about duration, periods of time. Preposition for is used in response. Since when is used to ask about point of time. Preposition since is used in response. It means from the start to now, how much total time has passed. The form in the present perfect tense. How long plus have or has plus subject plus past participle of the verb plus extra words. The form in the present perfect continuous tense. How long plus have or has plus subject plus been plus verb 1 with ing plus extra words. Let's take some examples.
This is Salim. He was on holiday in Turkey. He was there then. He arrived in Turkey on Sunday. Today is Wednesday.
How long has he been in Turkey?
He has been in Turkey for 4 days.
Jack plays football. He is 28 years old. He started playing football in high school when he was 18.
How long has he played football?
He has played football for 10 years.
Sarah is 27 years. She lives in Surat City in India. She moved there when she was 21.
How long has she lived in Surat City?
She has lived in Surat City for 6 years.
Now let's practice with questions and answers.
How long have your parents been married?
They have been married for 30 years.
How long has your father worked at the factory?
He has worked for 17 years.
Are you married? How long have you been married?
I'm not married, I'm still single.
Do you know Sally?
How long have you known her? I've known her for a long time.
Sammy lives in London. How long has he lived in London?
He has lived in London for 7 years.
I have a car. How long have you had your car?
I've had it for 5 months.
We're learning English. How long have we been learning English?
We have been learning English for 3 years.
David is watching TV. How long has he been watching TV?
He has been watching TV for 2 hours.
How long have they been in Brazil?
They have been in Brazil for 3 years.
How long has she been learning French?
She has been learning French for 1 year.
How long have you been a teacher?
I have been a teacher for 10 years.
How long has it been raining?
It has been raining for 2 hours.
How long have you been reading that book?
I have been reading that book for 2 hours.
How long have you worked here?
I have worked here for 7 years.
How long has your son been in hospital?
He has been in hospital for 3 days.
How long have you been teaching English?
I have been teaching English for 15 years.
How long have you had that jacket?
I have had that jacket for 4 years.
How long have you had your car?
I have had my car for 3 years.
How long have you lived in the country?
I have lived in the country for 10 years.
How long have you known Adam and Scott?
I have known them for a long time.
How long have they been in the football team?
They have been in the football team for 4 years.
How long has your brother worked here?
He has worked here for 6 years.
The link of all sentences in this video is in the description.
Don't forget to watch these videos.